New data shows a steep drop in rent prices for many parts of the Bay Area. But KPIX5's Kenny Choi says you may not want to sign that cheaper lease just yet. Kenny.
Liz, that drop you mentioned is now in the double digits in San Francisco, the largest decline in the country. That is significant, but housing experts say that there's something just around the corner that landlords and tenants should be aware of, and that could impact prices even more in the near future. The median rent price for a one-bedroom in San Francisco fell nearly 12% year over year. The latest Zumper rent report says that beats the previous month's record of the largest drop ever.
This is the strangest downturn I've ever seen.
Rent in San Francisco declined an additional 2.4% last month, while it dropped 2.1% in Oakland. In San Jose, rent went down 5%.
Your landlord, given the widespread nature of the job loss, actually does have an incentive to negotiate lower rent.
That time to negotiate is now, with the extra $2,400 per month in federal unemployment benefits set to expire at the end of July. Some analysts believe additional vacancies and broken leases could be on the rise.
The numbers that will be interesting to see will know better by the end of August, just how much the impact on rental markets could be moving forward.
Experts say increased inventory is allowing renters the opportunity to ask for 10 to 15% in reduction in some cities like San Francisco, but not in others.
The number of tenants who asked for deferral, we had a higher percentage overall, but we also have had more success in renting units in the East Bay. Units seem to be renting a little bit faster, a little bit more urgency in the East Bay than in San Francisco.
Vacant units has no value coming upstream to pay their property taxes, their mortgage, and that value going up through of the system.
And analysts point to a couple factors for the steep drop in rent prices, one being high unemployment numbers, and two, more companies embracing remote work, driving down the demand for living in high-priced cities like San Francisco. Interesting to note, in the city of Sacramento, rent prices didn't go down. They actually went up 5% last month. Live in San Francisco, Kenny Choi, KPIX5.